When it comes to tracking macros, there's pros and there's cons. Let's start with the pros. When you're tracking, you are more aware of what you're eating, right? So you're therefore going to make more supportive choices knowing that you have to track what you're consuming. At the beginning of your fitness journey, this can be helpful in determining what a certain amount of food actually looks like on a plate. It can also be supportive in determining how that quantity of food makes you feel. Anytime you're learning about your body's needs can be beneficial. The cons of tracking are these. Number one, it takes time to input and measure your food into a software. Number two, it could be an added stressor, which isn't good for your overall health. And number three, it's not a sustainable approach long term. Tracking can also put too much focus on the quantity of food over the quality. So if you are tracking to familiarize yourself with the quantity of food that you're eating, just make sure you're also prioritizing the quality. In all, tracking macros isn't meant to be a long-term approach. It's really to get you a better understanding of what X amount of food looks like on your plate and how that amount of food on your plate makes you feel. If you're not tracking all three things, then you're missing out on a key component of tracking macros. Now, should you be tracking macros if you're not? That is up to you. This is one approach that you can take when it comes to getting a better understanding of the nutrients on your plate. However, it is not the only way. If it works for you, great. If this is triggering for you by any means, this is not the approach for you.